Hello everyone, and welcome back to your favorite review channel, Countryside Chronicles. Today I have something really exciting to unbox and share with you all. It's the highly anticipated Mithrogen Medieval Leather Renaissance Era Belt. I got this from Amazon, and the link is in the first line of the description box so you can easily find it. I'm very excited to get my hands on it, and I'm thrilled to show you what's inside. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button so you can catch more unboxings and reviews. Let's dive right in. As you can see, the package is sleek and easy to open. The clear packaging is easy to open. The Ziploc is super nice, an awesome feature. You can also see that the store has included a card with their information. So let's get this out of the Ziploc bag and open it up. This looks like a really nice belt. The Mithrogen Medieval Leather Renaissance Era Belt is nestled securely inside of this Ziploc, and it has some protective covering over the metal ring. They've definitely taken care to ensure that it arrives safely and undamaged to me. We also again see a business card, and it has some of their social media information and contacts. Now let's take a closer look at the product. It has a stunning design with sleek lines and a premium finish. This is definitely sturdy, full grain leather, and it looks like it's 3.5 millimeters thick. That's awesome. This is going to be very sturdy. It feels like it's definitely been built with some quality, and they're using high-end materials, as well as there was a lot of attention to detail in the manufacturing. And the leather is very smooth with no jagged edges. As we move to the back, we have a well cut end. I'm really impressed with what the Mithrogen Medieval Leather Renaissance Era Belt has to offer. It exceeded my expectations in terms of design and performance. I can't wait to continue using it and see how it enhances my outfit for an upcoming Renaissance festival. That's it for today's unboxing and first impressions of the Mithrogen Medieval Leather Renaissance Era Belt. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's anything else specifically you'd like me to review or test in future videos. Thank you for watching the Countryside Chronicles, and we'll see you next time.